I know they blow trees, only lonely me lonely. Music chose me, just know this and know peace. I dey low key, but I'm never lonely. Sexy ladies, come and feel me slowly. Love, yes, in the way to me, I do make the world of a sinner. We are nobody who Jehovah.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Space. My name is Victoria, so you're highly welcome. Good afternoon, good morning, depending on the time you'll be seeing this vlog, this video. So as you can see, I'm at the farm, and whenever I'm at the farm, it means farm vlog. So we are here with my siblings and dad today to cut out our fruits, the plantain fruits. They're really ripe, so we are here to do that. And I want to take you guys along to the process. Okay, without further ado, let's get to it. Okay. What are they doing? Right, have it done. You have it done. Take a look at the camera. Yeah, buddy. So guys, unfortunately, it seems that there's no much plantain fruit in the farm. We couldn't. The one we are seeing is just few. I don't know, maybe during this season is plantain is scarce, and the summer happy is affecting the plantain. So I don't think we are going to get much plantain today. There's none at all. My dad have just got only 2 since so far. So I just hope, finger crossed, that we could see more. But for now, I don't think so. That is why. Yeah, so let me show you guys what the farm look like around. So okay, see, there's not much plantain. If it's to be before, by now all of them, there will be fruits. I mean, there's plantain, but there's no fruits on them. And either the ones we see, they are not yet ripe, they are not yet mature. Like you can see, this one here now is not yet mature, so you can't cut it. They are more like that. They are not yet mature. So that is basically it, guys. So that is my dad in the front. And see the one he's able to cut. They are just so few.
150,000.
So yeah. Daddy, Leka. Daddy. Leka, my neighbor. Okala. Guys, I found one. Look at it. I hope you guys can see there.
380 too much.
Hold on.
Okay, half an hour. Well, 350, no problem.
So I just saw one now. My dad is cutting it. You can see, guys. Look at it there. This one is mature. So he's going to cut it now. I can't send the guy give you yellow. Laisse-les-vous là. Okay, I gave you table. That's how many now above again?
One.
I gave Buka. Can I that side?
Very, very big.
Pay for me burn.
After my good one, so.
I know in Jesus' name. I don't know when you name it. Give. Come, you do. Look at that in a book. That's here why you may bath.
And the plantain not out of the way to good. Look at the way to good.
Timakola. We for my breaker. Don't play my break up.
No, my
check, we get check, maybe. That's it. Ba. Hen name YouTube.
Okay.
Okay, two that I made. Guys, as you can see, this one has 4. See? Who took out a batch? Okay. Gawa ziho. Nguya gawa. Go the guy jiba pass road daddy go back. Mari ban e bu plantain. You gonna come chop the ripe.
I'll see. I'll shout.
Look at the ending. It's about 12. 13 now.
Saturday and Sunday.
Sunday be my birthday. Hey. You buy shoe. Why are you going now? Look at that. So guys, as you can see, no, this is what we have been able to bring our senses. This time around, plantain is very scarce. I don't know what happened, maybe because of the season or so. So it's very scarce, but the good news that I have is that most have ripe, they have brought acid fruit, but the fruit is not yet mature yet. So once it gets mature, we will have more food to sell. But hello guys! Today this is only one we have, one we're able to bring. So that is my sister. Okay, so let's